Alright, y'all, out here with the 12S X-Maxx. Got some different wheels on and did some aerodynamics. We got 12 satellites in range. Yeah, we're working. So I got it on track. Let's go ahead and get a speed run in. See what we can do. Ooh. Call it Joker because look, it's green. Let's see what speed that was. That was excellent. Let's go ahead and stop that. Let's read that. 95 miles an hour. 95 miles an hour, okay? You see that? 95. All right, we're gonna beat that, okay? We're gonna try again. I mean, we really can't do too much because we don't have enough battery, but I'm gonna try a different battery. So let's run it again. We just got 95, all right? We're looking all right. Let's try that again. Woo! I like these aerodynamics this thing got. Let's see what speed we got. I might have to try to turn it up some more. I don't know, let's see what we got today. Stop, read. 96 miles an hour. You see that? 96 miles an hour. We'll try one more time, all right? Let's try one more time. This joker is rolling. So we'll hit start. We'll try it again. We're throwing some different batteries if we have to, all right? Woo! I think it's time. These are the Yowoo graphenes, okay? The Yowoo graphenes. That was 94. All right, so we're losing speed. Let's go ahead and swap these batteries over. We're back. Just swapped over the batteries. Let the motor cool down a little bit. The motor was like not even hot, but I let it cool down. The Yowoo graphenes, you know, just 96 miles an hour. I know I can get a lot faster, but I swapped over the batteries. Let's see what we can get today. We got 12 satellites. I don't know if you can see. So we're gonna go ahead and pick track, and we're gonna go to start, and we're gonna run this thing again, all right? This is a 12S X-Maxx. Okay, MGM 250/63 ESC, Poseidon 880 kV motor. What else? Got WFO Racing Mod 1.5 gears and motor mount, receiver box, ESC mounting plate, and battery trays. Also got the Gone Bananas Racing skins. This is a new set I got from Rick. They're holding up all right. They're like an inch small in diameter, but I don't know. I should be able to hit 100. I might have to go bigger wheels or maybe do something with the gearing. We'll see. Let's go ahead and run this. Got the Power Hobby 6S, 8,000 milliamps in here. We're going. Ooh, I could tell the difference in the power. The Yowoo graphenes, man, them things was hitting. These are Power Hobby 6S 8,000 milliamp packs. They're not that old. They got a little bit more use on them, but they're not really, I don't think it was kicking. I don't think it was kicking like the Yowoo graphenes. So let's see what we got. Let's go ahead and stop it. Read. That's 93 miles an hour. We're going a little bit slower with these. We'll try it again. We'll try it again. So this is an 880 kV on 12S. Let's see what speed we got. Let's go stop that or read. 94 miles an hour. Yo, these Yowoo graphenes is alright, man. I'm gonna go do another run again with the Power Hobbies, but then I'm gonna do some other stuff to get this thing to go a little bit faster, because I think I'm maxing out on the gearing and the tire size. So I'll take the 94 with the Power Hobbies. Let's go ahead and run that back. I mean, I got my laptop, so I can turn it up a little bit. I'm gonna just take this 96, because this thing is holding pretty good. Yo, this thing is a beast. I can't really do too much because the power is slowing down, but I'm real happy with today's results. 94. I'll do one more run with the Power Hobbies. They're going dead, but the Yowoo graphenes is doing its thing. I'll tell you that, the Yowoo graphenes is doing its thing. I recommend the Yowoo graphenes. They're a cheap battery. They might not be graphenes or whatever, I don't know. They're just a good battery. They're definitely better than the Yowoo batteries until Yowoo comes out with the graphene, because it's pretty much the same battery. All right, we ain't got no more power. That thing was going slow as hell. I'll see y'all next time, man. We're gonna do 100 next time, because this baby is holding on to the road. I'm not having no issues, man. But I'll tell you, these Yowoo graphenes, for the price, very cheap, man. I recommend these batteries. These batteries pack a hell of a punch. So y'all peace out, man. Thank you for watching.